Hello! Cloud and mobile architect Andrei Chibukin at his PC, and today we will have a look how to set up Visual Studio Code for development with UNO platform. What will we see? We will have a look at which extensions are required, how to obtain a license, and the main important is how to set up debugging profile and debug multiple projects in a solution. If you need only the last piece, you can use timecodes below and go right there. So let's go to code. Let's have a look what we need to work with UNO platform in Visual Studio Code. It's UNO platform extension. It already has C# as dependencies, so it can install everything needed. Also, I use .NET extension pack, but it's not mandatory. I pre-created a solution with UNO platform project and one more console app just for demo purposes. In order to make it launchable, first what we need is we need to obtain a license. So you type UNO, you will see here get license. If you don't have it, and then you select enter your VS Code license key, and that's it. The extension will be activated. After you activated the extension, you need to select the active project. Yeah, you can have multiple UNO platform projects in the solution, so you need to select it. Yeah, select active project. You can do it from here or from the bottom. If you see, it's UNO logo here and all parameters. So you select it here and you are almost ready to debug. Then you need to select a profile. I have some issue with Android here on my setup, so I will show you with Windows and WebAssembly. So when you selected it, it still selects. I don't know, it works pretty slow. Oh, okay, it finished. Not so fast as on Mac. And then you go to debug, and what you do, you create profile. Yeah, so it will open your launch.json, and then you add configuration. If it doesn't load here, this after suggest, yeah, maybe you need to wait, or if it loads too slow, you can close it and try again. And after several iterations, it works. Yeah, again, it for some reason it worked fine on Mac, but on Windows for me it was very slow. Maybe something wrong with other setup on my Windows. Okay, so after it finally loads, so now we use UNO, and we have this custom task. What we need to change? We need to remove all comments. We just a description, and we don't need pre-launch task for general stuff. We don't need it. It will work without it pretty fine. Then we just change to make it descriptive. It will work not only for Android but almost for everything. So this is basically enough. Yeah, and that's it. Now I can debug. So I select my UNO.NET 8 start, and it will build my Windows target framework and launch in a moment. So this is enough for pretty much all targets except WebAssembly, because for WebAssembly you need to run the app in the mode where you attach debugger to the browser, and I will show you the configuration in a moment. And also you will be able to copy this configuration from my GitHub git, which is available as a link in description. Yeah, still builds. Yeah, and it runs. Yeah, perfect. It's here. let's see that it works for WebAssembly. So I stop debugging. And let's add one more configuration. So I have it in my file, but as I told, it will be available in the link. So I just copy this and put here in the second configuration. Yep. Here let's check. Yeah, that's it. Okay. And I don't have Chrome, I don't like it. I use Edge, so I will change to Edge and change the name so it will be descriptive. Yeah, so it needs inspect URL and some other stuff to be run. Then what we need to change, we need to change target framework for browser Wasm. Then go to debugging, switch our debugger to okay, we need to save. Yeah, now we have two platform assembly, and let's go. And for iOS and Android, behind this on the right, yeah, you will be able to select the emulator if you have everything configured right. Just a few moments to build to happen. And we see some output. As usual, it launches a special debug profile, and we see that it works, and even this hot reward button also works. So basically that's it. And if we want to have to run another project, for example, we want to start Azure Functions project or our web server or something else, so what we need to add another configuration, and it will be just a C# project. And now you set its location as usual. Yeah, it's workspace folder. For example, in my case, it will be another console app. Yeah, let me copy its name, and I put it over here. And it will be another console app. Put cursor in the right place. So basically another console app slash another console app. Let's start all debugging. And here, let's save to the here. Okay, let's put it here also to make it display correctly. And now I can change it to my another console app. I can try to run it. And before trying to launch, don't forget to build. You can do it from Solution Explorer. Yeah, because otherwise this simple launch task will not find the right target. So you do build, and then we can try to run. And as you can see, we see hello world, which means app completed successfully. Let's summarize. We've seen that it's not so complicated to set up our development environment, and now you are ready for coding. If you liked that video, like and subscribe. And don't forget about my other channels.